In this video, we're going to do translating and some word problems. So you want to remember, when you're translating, you want to look for keywords. I have a cool new laser we're going to use. Remember that from and than are flip words. They switch the order of the equation. Alright, number 1. Twice as many points as Bob would be 18. Alright, so twice means times 2. Change the color. Would be is like equal. This is actually just a one step, but you would do 2x equals 18. So twice as many points, so x represents the points that Bob scored, equals 18. Alright, example 2. 11 more than 3 times a number is 17. Alright, so we have more than times and is. So more means that we're adding. Than is a switch word, so we'll switch the order. So the 11 and 3 times a number would switch. Is equal. Alright, 3 times a number. 3j plus 11 equals 17. So just some extra practice. If you were solving that, the variable's on the left, so we'll move that constant, positive 11, by subtracting 11 on both sides. Bring down 3j. 17 minus 11 is 6. We'll divide by 3. Get j is equal to 2. Alright, number 3. 3 more. So more is a key word. Than 8. Than's a key word. Times as many trees as 75 trees. Alright, so more is add. Than means we'll switch the order. Times is multiplication. Is equal. Alright, so 8 times as many trees. We'll say 8t for trees. Plus 3 equals 75. You would solve it by getting rid of the constant on the side with the variable. So that would be the 3 there, because the variable is right here on the left. So we'll get rid of this positive 3. Get 8 times t equals 72. And t is equal to 9. Alright, word problems. The Taylor family planned a trip to the drive-in movie theater and 42 family members attended. 7 cars were filled and 7 more people in the truck. How many in each car? Alright, so I'm going to do some of my work on the left. So we'll say P is what we're solving for people. So we know that 42 total family members came, so that's the side that we'll set the equation equal to. 7 cars were filled, but we don't know how many people were in each car, so we'll say 7p. More, 7 more people, more tells us to add 7. So we have a 2-step equation. Start with the side where the variable is. So the variable is here, so we want to get rid of this positive 7. Do that by subtracting 7 on both sides. And you get 7p is equal to 35. So p is equal to 5. That means 5 people were in each car. So we'll say 5 people. And number 2, Jen's age is 6 years less than half of Jared's age. What is Jared's age? We have less than half. Those are all keywords. we're solving for what is Jared's age. So we'll start with the variable. We'll say J for Jared's age. Okay, so we have than, which tells us to flip, less is subtract. Oh, and I meant to throw in there, Jen is 4 years old. So that should be right here. Okay, so it's going to be equal to 4 because we know Jen is 4 years old. So we'll say 1/2 J minus 6 equals 4. Solve it, get rid of the constant. So the variable's there, so we'll get rid of this constant right here. Get rid of a negative by adding. So 1/2 J is equal to 10. Flip the fraction over. So J is equal to 20 years. Alright, the last word problem. So you bought a magazine for $5 and 4 erasers. So one magazine for 5 and 4 erasers. You spent a total of 25. How much did each eraser cost? So we'll say E for eraser cost. Alright, so we spent a total of 25, so that means that the equation needs to be equal to 25. So the magazine was $5. So we're going to add 4 erasers to that. So we don't know the cost of each eraser. Get rid of the constant. So the constant's there. Variable's here, so this is the side we'll work with. It's positive 5, so subtract 5 from both sides. 4e is equal to 20. Divide by 4, e is equal to 5.